Okay, so a question that we get all the time, people ask us, how does ClickFunnels work? So what I want to do is just create a real short overview of how ClickFunnels works and how we use it in our business to sell our fishing products. So if we click through and we go to one of our funnel summary pages, what ClickFunnels does is in a very simple way gives us the ability to see all of the steps in our funnel, from our order form to our downsell to the hat that we sell, and then an upsell to a t-shirt, and then a confirmation page. All of this is located on one page. Then we can see the stats, we can see the contacts, we can see the sales, we can see the products, and we can see the automation. So what we have here is we have the ability to add products very simply. So we've created the page, and now we come over here and we click on products, and products is a very simple way to go in and add the products we're going to sell from the sales page. Once we've done that, once we've added those in, they'll automatically be added to the sales page we've created. Now the next thing is, before we launch this, we click on automation. When we go to automation, this is how we capture the information of the people that have come to the page. And of course, we want to separate those out because they're going to get different advertising messages depending on the action they've taken. So we want to collect a bucket that has everybody in it. And then of course, anybody that saw the page but didn't purchase. So they started going through and they abandoned the sales process. These are the people that almost took action, and we just got to give them a little more encouragement, whether we send them an email or we send them a text message to bring them back, whether that's adding on an additional benefit, product, service, whatever, or if you want to discount your product. And then of course, anybody that's actually purchased a product, these are our best customers because it's very difficult to get somebody to buy from you the first time, but that resistance to purchase from you drops by about 80% once they've made a purchase. So then what we want to do is we want to send these people a message, whether it's an email or it's a text message that gives them the opportunity to buy a complimentary product or something completely different that would be beneficial compared to the one they just bought from you. And again, ClickFunnels makes it very easy to do, where you can actually add a new action, add a new email, or you can actually send them a text message. So once those elements are put together, we've created the graphics and the message and the video or the images, and then we add in the products that we're going to give people the opportunity to buy, and then we create the follow-up system that automatically happens once somebody comes through. Then we've got the page done, and we've put it together, all that stuff. Once you get used to using the system, and we actually have step-by-step trainings on how to put all these things together. But once you've done it a couple of times, it only takes about 40 minutes, 45 minutes to put together a page just like this that would normally cost you $1,500, $2,000 to actually hire a programmer to do all this. So the next thing I want to go through is talk to you about, once somebody comes through and buys the main product, now we're getting into what ClickFunnels does best. A website will actually, you take them to a page and they can buy something. A funnel is the sales process that once somebody has bought a product from you, then we can actually offer them another product, either a downsell, less money than the product they just bought, or an upsell, something a little bit more expensive. In our system, what we do is people come in and they want to buy one of our anchor systems, and then we offer them a hat, because when you're out in the sun, when you're out on the boat, what do you want? You want a hat. So then we take them to the next page in our sales process, our funnel, is they can go ahead and buy a Dig in Anchors hat. So here's that page. And of course, what we do is we put in a strong headline, tell them what the price is. We got a nice picture here of a kid wearing a hat, and they can get one for $9.97, or maybe they want two, because in our particular case, we actually know that most of our customers fish with somebody else on the boat. Makes for a nice gift. Maybe you want to have it spare, what have you. But then down at the bottom, no thanks, I'll pass at that time. So if they click no thanks, I'll pass at that time, well, then they're going to go to the next step of the funnel. If they choose one of the hats, the nice thing is what ClickFunnels does is it actually adds it to the order that they just placed. If you try to use any other software, any other shopping cart, this is going to be 2 separate transactions. This is going to be the place where they have to enter in their credit card again. And when you do that, that significantly decreases the number of people that actually go through the process of leaving a credit card in or putting their credit card in twice. So again, that's the genius of ClickFunnels, is instead of having 2 different transactions, now ClickFunnels combines it into 1 transaction. So let's say that they either bought a hat or they didn't buy a hat. Then what we do, like I said, in our funnel, our sales process, we offer them a t-shirt. So here's our t-shirt page, which we've designed. We've added in the automation. We've added in the products. And then this is what the page looks like. And again, once you have this down, putting this particular page together takes about 15 or 20 minutes. All of it is very easy. It's just copy and click. And again, it's the same format where we tell people what it is, what the price is, pick your size, and then you can add that on, or you can say no thanks. So the nice thing is once we're done, the last step in the process is to go to the order confirmation page. And then from the order confirmation page, it tells them what product they bought. And obviously, because this is a demonstration that we haven't gone through the process, but right here is where everything they just purchased is shown to them in the receipt. So in other words, they don't have to click something else. It's already ordered, and the order's being processed, and you're now giving them information about when it's going to be shipped to them, because that's what the next step that everybody wants to know. But again, before we let them go, we show them what other people have purchased when they purchased that particular product. It gives us the ability to send them into another funnel. And they can always say no, which is their prerogative. Or they can say, hey, listen, I just bought this product and this is going to make my product better. Oh, what is it? And they can click here to show more. So then if people want to buy, in our particular case, want to buy more products because we just gave them the opportunity to just buy one product. Now, if maybe they want multiples, maybe they want to get one for a friend, or they want to be a wholesaler, or that sort of thing, we want to give them that information. And then we also want to give our contact information and, of course, our guarantee. So once they've gone through that, this complete process is done. Now, as business owners, the nice thing is we want to make sure that, because this funnel has a lot of parts, that we want to make sure everything is put together correctly before we launch. And that's what ClickFunnels does over here really nicely, is there's a launch checklist completely automated that shows you all the pieces that needed to be put together before you launch. And of course, ClickFunnels lets you know that everything is done. So that being said, that's how we use ClickFunnels. That's a broad brush overview of how ClickFunnels works. And like I said, we have other trainings. There's a link below where you can actually see each one of these steps, step by step, on how to put together all the different pieces. For the overview, this would be too complex. So I encourage you to click the link below and go ahead and check out those other tutorials on how to put together each element of each page. Hopefully this was helpful. And again, come on back and send us your questions, because we love to teach people how ClickFunnels works and how it's been very successful for our company, Digging Anchors, where we sell fishing products, and how it's actually streamlined our business, reduced a lot of the expenses that we had by hiring outside companies, and reduced a lot of those headaches, not having to worry about things not being done correctly, and helped us generate thousands of dollars worth of sales basically in our fishing season from January through September. So again, hopefully that was helpful. This is how ClickFunnels works and how it's worked for our business. Hey, Mike Grady here. Just want to let you know that ClickFunnels offers a 14-day free trial. So click the link below. That's our affiliate link. It'll let ClickFunnels know that we referred you as one of our affiliates. And then what we'll do is we'll give you access to our ClickFunnels Quick Start program, free of charge. And basically what it is the biggest frustration we found with ClickFunnels and with the people that we've referred is it's kind of a little bit of a steep learning curve to get started with ClickFunnels. So what we did is, to make it easy for everybody, is we put together 10 videos to show you step by step what you need to do, from getting your domain name moved over to ClickFunnels and then getting that associated with a funnel, and then what you need to do to get your funnel up and running so you can be profitable on the first day and save you hours off of the learning curve of getting your first funnel set up. So again, down below this video, click the link. It's our affiliate link. It'll let Clickfunnels know that you're one of our affiliates, and then we'll give you free access to one of our most popular courses, How to Get Started Quickly.